That better?
Yeah. Who are you? You CIA?
Good morning, Sergeant Blackburn.
When are you gonna tell me what's going on?
18 hours ago, I get a call from Homeland Security saying there's a Marine in detention I need to talk to. Some story about a terror plot in New York, and the Marine claims he has information to stop it. Now, the best part is, he says it's gonna happen today. So here we are. You look jet-lagged, and by that I mean you look like shit. Who is this?
That's him. That's Solomon.
And you still believe he's planning an attack here in New York?
Don't you?
Why?
Because he said so.
I read the file. He's trying to save his own ass. He doesn't know what we want to know.
Wait, just hear me out. You want to bury me after, go ahead.
We don't need to bury you. You're already dead. He doesn't know what we want to know.
We're on the clock. I'm pursuing this lead. What you're going to do is help us clarify the attack scenario. Your cooperation might even get you free of the world of crap you currently inhabit. All you have to do, Sergeant Blackburn, is fill in the blanks. Are we clear? When did you first hear about Solomon and the PLR?
It was 9 months ago. Operation Swordbreaker, Iraqi Kurdistan.
Okay. I'm listening.
Go tell that long-tongued liar, go and tell that midnight rider, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter, tell him that God's gonna cut him down.
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. We advised you are crossing the NMD in 2 mics, over.
Copy that.
Yo, does anyone else really not get what the fuck we're doing here?
Quit being a fucking hippie, Montez.
I'm just saying, bro, if this is about the PLR, we should be in Iran, not Iraq.
They're crossing borders, dog. PLR's the right people, all right? They don't make them any righter.
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. We have a situation developing here. Get your team dismounted and into the staging area ASAP.
This is 1-3. Copy out.
What the fuck are we stopping here for? Our objective's 20 clicks north of here.
I don't know, Montez. Yeah, let's get out on the road. Okay, let's go. Move.
I guess we're late to the party. Where's the LT? Hang her right up here. Hey!
Hey, you ever ask yourself how this part of the world gets so fucked up all the time?
I just work here, Dave.
Get out here.
Gentlemen, welcome. As you know, we're dealing with the PLR insurgents crossing over from Iran. A lot of sectarian tension. I counsel you to remember, gentlemen, the people of this country are not your enemy. The PLR is. At 0930, we lost contact with Viper Squad. They're investigating a possible IED near Spencer Meat Market. That's a pretty fucking bad part of town. We believe the PLR involved. Sending you in to find our Marines, provide support, call in Kazovac if necessary. You're the quick reaction force, gentlemen. I'm trusting you to handle this. Let's go find our Marines.
We're on it. Let's go. Way behind, gentlemen. Let's go find this patrol. We have a SID rep on enemy inside this district. Assume the worst. Go.
Mad creep-out vibes in here.
ID your targets.
What is this? School?
All right, I keep forgetting. They don't have schools where you come.
Stick together. Check your corners.
What was that?
Someone needs to tell EOD to blow those ammo dumps further away.
Wait, Tremor. We're like 90 clicks from a major fault line.
Big cross street here. Hella exposed. Wait, one. Something coming. Back. Wait for him to pass. Let's move. Okay. Cross in twos. Black. You and McMusic take the door on the right. Okay, moving. Get the lead out, Black. Now!
Not a single civvy. I don't like this shit.
Gun! Sniper! Up and firing! Fuck is he? Ram, taking cover! Get him inside! Come on! Come on! Let's go! Sniper still up! Steady on! Where the fuck did they come from? Keep shooting! Taking fire! 12 o'clock! They're moving! They're moving! Let's go! Let's go! Behind me! Give me a sit rep! I'm up! I'm up!
I'm up. I'm fucked up, but I'm up.
RPG! Mike 12! Second floor! The fucking car! He's dead! Friendly's coming in! Friendly's coming in! Everybody light that building the fuck up! Black, on me! Tango's by the building! Far in parking lot! Flanking! Moving! Right there! Right there! Coming over the wall! Right side! Contact left! I'm taking cover! Firing! Hold him just a little longer! Sniper, still up! Cease fire! Cease fire! Get the hell inside now! We got him.
Hey, buddy. Can you feel this?
All right, up we go. Check your corners.
I hope Chaffin's gonna be okay.
He'll be fine. He's a tough son of a bitch.
Eyes open. It's all you. Shit! Two. You gotta go cover cover. Don't stay visible in the window.
And these guys weren't local. They weren't speaking Arabic. Al-Bashir's exporting all-star insurgent talent out of Iran to here now?
I don't know. Let's just get up on that roof.
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. That sniper's still up. Be careful out there.
Clear. Clear. Here we go. Shit! Contact! Anyone got eyes on? Can't see him. Dude, that's a fucking 50. Stay low. Stay low. Hotel, I think. Let's go. Cover to cover. We'll draw him out. Ready. Moving.
Okay, moving.
Going.
Okay, moving.
Going. Okay. Get on the fucking deck. We'll get down to the edge and stick his head out, and then we fucking shoot it. Roger. Hug the wall. Black, wait for us to get into position. Don't bunch up. Keep moving. Talk to me. You got eyes on? I got it. Black, now! Just keep going. There's the sniper! Okay. Across the street. 50 meters midway up. He's dug into a spider hole. I got AT. Give it to Black. Shit, cover's getting ropey. You're the best shot! You see that weapon glint? You waste him. Make it count, brother! I'll cover you. And you hit him. Clear your back blast. Stand by! 3, 2, 1! Suppress it! Good effect on target!
We good?
We're good. Let's go find this patrol.
Misfit 1-3, this is Doc Holliday. We got your man patched up down here. We're ready to move him back to the staging area for evac. Can you provide cover from up there?
Sure thing, Doc Holliday. Which direction, over?
North side.
Misfit 1-3, in position. Looks pretty clear.
Roger that. We are moving. Over.
Keep your eyes peeled for hostiles. Our guys are pretty exposed down there. Watch your sectors.
I see enemy movement, street level.
In cover. Take them out, 1-3.
Left side! Tango's on the roof, straight ahead!
Okay, moving.
More guys coming in. Check the street level and rooftop.
I think we're clear, Misfit 1-3. We are moving. Over.
We got your 6. You were clear.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Engaging!
Misfit 1-3, this is Doc Holliday. Many thanks. We're through. We'll take care of your buddy. Out.
They're moving in on us now. I think they're in the building.
Can we get the fuck off this rooftop now, please? Right. Can't go back down. Turn. Need to find another way down.
We'll never make it over.
We can use this as a bridge.
Do it.
Fucking Boy Scout.
Go, go!
site ASAP, over.
Temporary setback, break. We're Oscar Mike to target location, over. We're pushing through. Let's hope they're okay.
So what happens if the PLR take over? A country run by terrorists ain't good.
Bro, America was founded by terrorists for terrorists. What do you think the fucking Revolutionary War was? History is determined by the motherfucking victim.
How did you even get into the Marines?
You know what, Campo? I often ask myself the same goddamn question. Got contact!
Shit! Contact! Engaging!
Is that the patrol?
It's two of them.
Just stay focused.
Shit, we got wounded NKIA in here.
I got it. Misfit Actual, this is 1-3. I need cast it back ASAP. How copy?
1-3, I confirm you oblige. Hang tight, Misfit, out.
Man, this layout doesn't look right at all. Yeah, I found something. This is totally not good. Secondary's under here!
Secondary, copy that! Oh, fuck, boys, we are attracting a lot of fucking attention!
What's the problem? Can't cut the wire?
I can't cut anything till this wire's traced.
Blackburn, you're nominated. Follow the wire.
Blackburn, did you get that? Follow the goddamn wire. You okay in there? Just another goddamn tremor. Nothing to worry about. 1-4 is here to reinforce. Just get that wire cut.
Enemy vehicle wrecked! Blackbird, up on that weapon!
Come on, let's fucking go!